Accessing the pharmacy can be burdensome. Navigating insurance can be confusing. That has occasionally resulted in negative outcomes. Patients suffer when new prescriptions aren't filled and when refills aren't picked up. Some elements of our healthcare system make what ought to be simple challenging. Endless prescriptions. Amazon recently unveiled a brand new prescription medicine subscription service. It is known as RX Pass, and there is free delivery to your home in all 50 states. So how does it work? How does it differ from other online pharmacies? Here is everything you should know. 1/4 of individuals say they have trouble paying for the prescription drugs they require, and nearly half of all adults take 2 or more pills daily. By enhancing patient access to, affordability of, and convenience with pharmaceuticals, Amazon Pharmacy is addressing these issues. With RX Pass, a new perk for the more than 200 million members, Amazon is stepping up its effort in the healthcare sector. A $5 monthly fee will be charged by Amazon to deliver qualified prescriptions to customers, according to the company. The service is currently only available to Prime members. For over 80 common medical ailments, such as high blood pressure, hair loss, anxiety, and acid reflux, the Amazon RX Pass subscription program offers generic pharmaceuticals. Bupropion, cephalexin, doxycycline, estradiol, and sertraline are a few of the generic medications covered by the program. Allergies, diabetes, and anemia are additional conditions covered by the program. However, insulin and specialty drugs are not available through RX Pass. Customers don't even need to use their insurance when they use RX Pass. It's a straightforward flat fee of $5 per month that is charged in addition to their monthly Prime subscription. Amazon Pharmacy accepts the majority of insurance coverage for additional drug requirements. But note that persons with government-funded insurance plans like Medicaid or Medicare are not eligible to use it. So why $5? The $5 price is in addition to the existing monthly subscription fee for Prime customers and covers the cost of delivery. Even if consumers fill many prescriptions each month, the RX Pass fee is fixed and does not rise. Depending on the prescription requirements, medications may be supplied either monthly or quarterly. The service can be readily terminated at any moment if the client's requirements for prescription medication change. According to Amazon Pharmacy's Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Vin Gupta, the company is aiming to deliver a pharmacy experience that is fundamentally different from how pharmacies have existed over the last several decades.
I say this as a pulmonologist. I'm heartened by how patient-centric this program is. It's a $5 flat fee for any eligible medication that somebody may have a prescription for to treat one of many common chronic conditions that exist in the United States and worldwide. So chronic non-communicable diseases is really the focus of what RX Pass we feel can provide a lot of value for and hopefully improve health outcomes and keep people healthy.
How to request service. Prime members can create or update their Amazon Pharmacy profile by visiting the Amazon website or mobile app and signing up for RX Pass. When they arrive, clients will be assisted through an online registration process that validates their eligibility and medication information. Amazon pharmacists are available around the clock to aid with refills and to coordinate with a customer's doctor if they have any queries about the enrollment process or after a prescription has been delivered. Who can and who cannot avail it? Customers of Amazon Prime, the company's extensive reward program offering free shipping on many purchases and video streaming, can sign up for RX Pass to obtain prescription drugs. The RX Pass premium would be in addition to the $139 yearly price of a Prime membership. At this time, the program does not allow the shipment of drugs to California, Louisiana, Maryland, Minnesota, New Hampshire, Pennsylvania, Texas, or Washington. Customers who are enrolled in Medicare or Medicaid or any other government healthcare program will not be able to sign up for RX Pass, but they can still use their government insurance to fill prescriptions at Amazon Pharmacy. Now, how can you find out if the RX subscription covers your prescription drugs? With an RX Pass membership, you can access over 80 different types of generic medications that are frequently prescribed and treat medical conditions. You can find out if a prescription drug is covered by the RX Pass program by searching for the name of the prescription on the Amazon Pharmacy website, which is available on Amazon.com or the Amazon app. So does each prescription cost $5? No. To have all of their qualified medications delivered to their door for free, Prime members can never spend more than $5 a month in total with RxPass from Amazon Pharmacy. A current prescription is necessary for all drugs. In addition to Prime membership, there is a fixed cost. What made Amazon step into a health venture? Over the past few years, Amazon has become increasingly involved in the healthcare industry in general and the pharmacy vertical in particular. As more consumers choose to obtain their drugs online rather than visit a brick-and-mortar pharmacy due to the COVID-19 outbreak, Amazon began selling prescription medications in November 2020, 2 years after it acquired online pharmacy PillPack Inc. For handling several daily medications for chronic diseases, PillPack specializes in providing pre-sorted dosage packaging. Amazon has been attempting to increase the scope of its healthcare offerings over the past year. The business announced in July 2022 that it would pay $3.9 billion to purchase primary care clinic operator One Life Healthcare Inc. This will be the company's third largest acquisition to date. With the promise of 24/7 access to virtual care, the San Francisco-based healthcare business provides users with a combination of in-person, online, and virtual care services. A message-based telemedicine service called Amazon Clinic was introduced by the firm in November 2022. Amazon Clinic offers online treatment for more than 20 common medical ailments, including allergies, acne, and hair loss. A number of the e-commerce BMS healthcare initiatives have also been put on hold. After struggling to grow outside of its own employee network, Amazon announced last year that it was closing down Amazon Care, its in-house employee and corporate telehealth program. Leaders at Amazon, Berkshire Hathaway Inc. and JP Morgan Chase & Company shut down their joint healthcare business, Haven Health, 2 years ago. For employees of the three corporations, the organizations sought to change healthcare and save expenses. Amazon is not the only business looking into ways to lower the price of prescription medications. Amazon claims that it's staffed 24/7 with highly qualified clinical pharmacists that are supporting patients across the country, so clinical protocols are rigorously followed. The company is also making sure that prescriptions that are dispensed as part of RxPass or through our adjusted services are clinically relevant and indicated. Approximately 150 million people are on at least one of the medications included in the initial RxPass formulary.
We are trying to figure out the way in which we can maximize benefit to patients. And so from my standpoint, what exists today from a pharmacy experience standpoint is unacceptable. We can do better. And that's exactly what Amazon's trying to do here today with RxPass, is trying to do better for our patients and trying to provide disproportionate value by leaning into what Amazon has traditionally done so well.
Based on estimates of the top ailments experienced by Americans and the most popular prescriptions prescribed for them, John Love, Vice President of Amazon Pharmacy, claimed that the service will save the typical Prime member roughly $100 on prescription costs a year. Pharma giants like CVS Health, Walgreens, and Rite Aid, as well as supermarkets and cheap retailers like Walmart, dominate the $300 billion plus market for prescription drugs. The Mark Cuban Cost Plus Drug Company, an online pharmacy with a first inventory of more than 100 generic medications, was also established in January 2022 by billionaire entrepreneur Mark Cuban, who is also the owner of the Dallas Mavericks and a co-star on the TV program Shark Tank. Through its internet pharmacy, the Mark Cuban Cost Plus Drug Company, PBC, sells hundreds of prescription generic medications. Instead of billing patients' insurance companies, the company claims to charge less than its competitors and offers pharmaceuticals directly to patients. Costs at the cash-only pharmacy include manufacturer prices as well as an actual 15% flat margin plus a $3 pharmacist charge. Prescriptions are filled and delivered due to a collaboration with the online pharmacy TruePill. According to Amazon, over 150 million Americans reportedly take one or more of the prescription drugs made available through the RxPass monthly subscription. According to the provider, patients don't have to worry about deductibles or copays because the plan doesn't need them to utilize health insurance. To save money on both generic and name-brand pharmaceuticals, Amazon has long provided its Prime members a prescription savings advantage. According to the business, its new generic delivery program is aimed at clients who fill out of pocket for their prescription drugs and frequently fill many prescriptions to treat chronic ailments. Healthcare specialists and economists predict that the system will help consumers save money on affordable generic medications, but won't have an impact on the cost of more pricey name-brand medications, which account for the majority of U.S. prescription drug spending. They anticipate Amazon to lose money on the service, but they also see potential advantages.